Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how an appraiser can request for additional trip or a reschedule an inspection. So basically, first an inspection was created and you went on the inspection side, you did the inspection, and now you want to go for another round so that there is something you need to do it again. So you need to go for another day or for another time you need to go, you have to reschedule inspection. So for that, when you go on this specific inspection page and there was a scheduled appointment and you can see there is a counter still, which means now the time is there, you need to go for inspection. So before the inspection has been made and somebody calls you and they say that I'm not available, can you reschedule it? So you have an option to reschedule. We have a separate video for that, how you can do that. But now the case is that the time has passed, you have did the inspection, but due to some reason, either it could be that the borrower was not there, you couldn't do the inspection, or you needed an additional trip to do that. So for that, what we can do is we will wait for the counter to pass and then we'll be back. Okay, now as you can see, the inspection time has passed, and now we can either mark as completed or do a re-inspection. So I need a re-inspection. I need to do an additional trip to the inspection site. So I will click on re-inspection, scroll down and define the fee type that I need for this. Either it's a 150, it's 100 or 200, whatever the amount that is. And the reason why we are that the customer did not show up or the borrower was not there or we need additional trip fee. So we will submit this. And now the basically the fee request has been submitted and it is on order is paused. Now you can't do any activities. Basically the order is in pause condition and now you have to wait for the additional trip fee, and when it is resumed you can do your activities. So as you can see, this is the reinspection fees UAT and it is in pause condition, and we will wait for the fees that has been provided, then we will move forward. As you can see now, this one is in progress state and now it says that inspection scheduling is needed. So the fee was paid for it. Over here you can see the additional payment is made for this specific appraiser service fee has been attached to you. So it's basically this is the payment that was required for this. So it's now added to this service fee. So it means that it is being paid or it has been paid. So that's when I start working on it. So after the inspection, it say that the order is resumed and you can do the further. As you can see, this was done. So you need to have a schedule an appointment. You need to reschedule. So you will click and do the rescheduling as you need an additional, like you need to do a re-inspection. So basically you need to reschedule it. So you now the schedule, obviously that appointment has now cancelled and it was done earlier. Now it is now a new assignment and we schedule the appointment. And same case, we can put it on hold, reschedule it, and then we can put it mark as completed. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.